Your queen moves. A path to pain. Into the bottom of visibility.
Your bottom tower has fallen. Woe betide me.
That's
A
it.
sound of mind and body. My
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Grabe naman itong mga to.
Silos. Swiftly.
Kill Alke first, bro.
I'm under attack
Bakit to?
as you were weak.
Your bottom tower is under attack. A flame is alight at its base.
Oh, yes. I love a struggle. Here, here. Oh, yes. The pain train. Oh, yes.
The Dire has put Rashad to peace.
See?
Your top tower is crumbling.
Quickly now.
Buy sword, then we can fight. Let's go sword eh.
Forward.
Sword.
Oh, yes.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Oh, yes.
Your top tower is under attack.
Here, here. Forward. Train. No pain,
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen. Like a stone.
a royal path. Here, here.
Push, we have ages, bro.
As I will. A love bite.
Dire's courier has been slain. That was not very nice.
I'm under attack.
We're not going anywhere.
Your queen moves.
Get back.
Only
Odie's
the
alive.
way.
Get back. Odie is alive. Get back, guys. Please. Wala kayo.
Oh, yes.
You and yours will not prevail.
Oh, yes. A path. Quickly now.
I like how you play.
There's no honor.
Nakakapag-trip na kasi eh. Ito sa na ako matalo eh.
Yes.
I'm trying to be nice as possible, brother.
Pain builds hope.
Gantong may alchemy sa ano, Odie. Kailangan extra nice ka sa kakampi mo eh.
Oh,
Ay, bobo.
yes.
Yung bote ko. Shit. Kailangan super nice ka sa kakampi mo eh, no? Please.
Your top tower
Please.
is under
Listen to
attack.
me. I'm a suck
Even the
your
mightiest creatures
ganun
have
dapat.
fallen.
Ganong shit dapat eh. Pag gumakinig yung mga tropa natin eh.
Your top tower is under attack.
We fighting that shit. Ay, dagger na sa idol. Basta ako kahit one man Sonic Wave yung OD eh. Kaya na ako.
Yes. As I will.
Ah,
I love a struggle.
ba't 1k lang yung kailangan kanina? Wait.
Forward.
GG. Nice one. Bang bang! Bang bang! See that, brother? Did you see it? I saw it before I don't know. Ayun. Hindi ko pa man. Did you see it, brother? It's so good.
The enemy's top tower exploded.
Kanina, laki ng gap sa akin ng OD. Ayan na.
Here.
OD Algacid ka ngayon.
The Radiant have called upon their defenses.
A path
Sarap maglota pag di ka nagpapanik eh, no?
with scepter.
What a combo. Very beautiful, right? Yes, sir. Day 6 of waiting for you to have an internet. Am I dead? Nice box. Hindi ba? Alam ko yun. Oh. Just back. Patrol pa kayo eh. Mag-throw. Alam na nandito ako. Bala na kayo dyan. Ora dyan muna.
Regeneration.
What the fuck?
Pain train.
What the fuck is happening here? What the fuck?
Forward. Battle Royale.
Paano nun kaya tayo, di? Testing lang.
Oh, yes.
Kaya ba kita? Medyo makunat si Idol eh.
Into the worthy tribute.
Kasi tatago lang nito yung sarili niya eh. Bunch of fucking pussy.
Forward. Oh, yes.
Noon all form.
What? Forward. Oh, yes. Quickly now.
Wala akong TV.
Reign of pain.
Wala na akong net. Naubusan pa ako ng data. What the
Your
fuck?
middle tower is under attack.
Ay, gusto ko pinapatay to. Pag nakaaganings ako, matagal patayin to eh. Yan yung mga gusto ko pag nakaaganings ako eh. No, pero hindi ganyan.
Tower is under
Ito
attack.
gusto yan.
It may not be able
Sa
to
isa lang
defend
tayo
itself.
mga quiz.
The pain train.
Back. Yeesh. Oh, sige, patay ka na. Tropa.
Here.
Back tayo, back. Wala akong BKB, sir.
As I will.
Ako na dyan.
A royal path.
Oh, you found me.
Gamitin muna bago ibenta.
Forward.
You're out of my items. Ikaw din.
Your queen moves.
Offend one and you offend us all.
Feel this.
Ngayon lang kita nakitang mag-agis dyan. Talaga ba?
Greetings, my friend.
Forward.
Pag ano bro, pag makukunat yung kalaban, solid mag-agis dito. Pero kayo wala ako nakita. Oo, kasi Dagon pala, binibuild ko palagi, no? Yeah, bro.
The pain
It's
train.
Dags. Kaya para may kunat din ako. Yeah. Let's find OD. Come, their triangle, their triangle. Ano, naka-SOD na, naka-ano pa.
Oh,
Find carries, not Wind Ranger bro, find carries, please.
you've got it coming.
Gold and sweet.
Oh,
We can kill this guy, I think. Ang gagawin din. Wala tayong makita ang carry eh.
Your top tower is
Slardar,
under
Slardar.
attack. Even the mightiest tree may fall.
Sino naman ba yun? Siyempre, hindi tinamaan yan.
Is crumbling.
Pinarton ako.
quick.
Buti may Ursa ka. Buti Ursa yung carry namin. Nakakatapat siya dun sa ano.
As I
Alki. Kala mo Roshan na yung alchemist. Eh. Ah. Tropa. Oh, di bad trip ka na ba? Oh, lakas pala ito eh. Oh, yan. Ito ba pinapagamit yung ano?
Are fortified.
scream.
Ito ba pinapagamit yung SSK?
The enemy's top
Oh,
barracks are
sige, sige, Ringmaster. Kaya mo yan. Ayan. Ayan. Ako sa inyo. Kailangan talaga may throw eh, no? Necessary ba yun? Nakamatay ako dito.
Yes.
Uy.
The
Uy.
pain train.
Oh baby, lagi ka sabik. Sabik na sabik sa akin, si Idol.
A path to pain.
Hmm.
A royal path.
dire structures are fortified. Doom is on the way. Bark has grown thick. Your middle tower has returned.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Ito nakapag-BKB ako dun. So, fuck. Almost died. I almost
Your
died.
middle tower is under attack. It may not be able to defend itself.
Tingin ko losable pa to. Roshan, Roshan, Roshan. Go Roshan.
Oh, yes.
Go top, go top. We have Mirana SS.
Forward.
Kailangan talaga may ano pa eh. Buti nakikinig sa akin to mga to. Oh no.
Pain train.
Oh baby, lagi ka sa back. Baby, lagi ka sa back.
Your
Sorry na po,
queen
Kuya.
moves.
Bakit nagsosorry ka? Huwag ka mag-sorry.
Roshan has fallen to the dire.
Okay lang ang lahat, Nil. May pag-please. Kaya nga eh. Nakita mo, parang... Ako ba to?
Your bottom tower
Ba talaga gagawin ng Dota sa'yo eh, no? Pag pagod ka na matalo.
Your queen moves.
Your bottom tower is under
Ano
attack.
yun?
A flame is
Lumapiga
alight
pa si
at its
Idol.
base. Your bottom tower is under attack.
My fucking god, bro.
Wizard.
Ayun, nagpanic na ako doon. Holy fuck. Ang do some beautiful things. Ako yung sabi ko, magpapatay ng Kairit eh. Ay, magpapatay ng mga support. Ako naman yung napapatay ko. Bobo ko. Okay. Bumubobo si Idol. May nabobo. Throw ko yun. So ko na dyan, pati IRL. Parang gusto ko na nga sumuko IRL talaga eh.
Came too close to what is mine.
Bakit yung Ranger yung pinapatay ko? Yun yung pinakawalang kwenta sa kanila eh. Baited ang putek. Ay, bobo. Ay, wala na. Wala kaya yun sa akin. Nice one. Hindi ko na nga pinapansin yung hype Wind Ranger na yun eh. Bobo ko naman. Bobo. It's either Warlock. Grabe yung Warlock no, naka-repression no. Wala kami na-achieve dun no. Shard. Ayaw nga no bro. Oo nga. Sige. Tama.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Sabi nung nag-dive sa Wind Ranger. Bobo.
Forward.
Oh baby, lagi ka sa back. Baby, lagi ka sa back.
Worthy
Ang
tribute.
sakit ng Warlock ni Sir.
Path to pain.
Matagal na ako sumuko IRL.
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
Bobo kasi na itong Wind Ranger kaya ang sarap patayin. Slider stop, we can fight. Tamaan mo.
Oh, yes.
Wala tayong pambahay baka. Ang loob ah.
Oh, yes. Forward.
Isa ka pwede mag-split eh.
Here, here. As I will.
The skill barracks.
Oh, yes. Your queen moves.
Mga tayo magpapala dito, sir. Wala, anong mapapala natin dito? Link in. Ayun oh. Parang si AJ lang yan eh. Kaya nyo na kaya. Ay!
Radiant have called upon their defenses.
Baby, lagi ka sa peg. Baby, lagi ka sa peg.
Enemy's bottom tower has been swallowed by the earth. Where the enemy's bottom barracks stood, the enemy's bottom barracks have fallen. Beware.
Hindi umabot.
Agony.
End, bro. No need to mega. We can end. What the fuck? For fuck's sake, these fucking people, man. Holy shit.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. It has returned to what it once was.
Yan fucking
The
job.
enemy's middle tower has fallen.
I fear nothing.
Dire victory. Let the trees whisper
Oh my God.
tales of this hour.
Is he back?
Yes.
Is he back? Is the guy back? Oh shit. Oh my god. Are you sure about that, bro? Come on. Are you sure about that? Anra 1G. Sige. Anra. Ano Anra? Valorant. Dito sa Valorant natin i-try. Useless dash level left mid Q OP roaming entire map and are mid farming like scam. Yan ang mahirap sa OD eh, no? Walang ganking gank potential. Sa balo natin i-try, bro. Ayoko Ayoko mag-Dota kapag hindi rank. Balo. Come on. Ano katapat ko? Herald 1. Anong rank ni Herald 1? Crusader 1. Tangina ano ka pala eh. Sinungaling ka pala eh. Herald 1 pangalan mo, tas Crusader ka. Gago ka pala eh. Wala talagang kwenta Alchemist kapag hindi kapag hindi sobrang ahead. Nakatira to lang ako all that time. Okay, Balo streams. Suddenly, it's a Balo stream. Duplicate. Valorant. Nice job, you've reached 100 days or make a new reel. Thank you sa nice job. Is ka pala eh. What happened? Oh shit. Oo. Wag na. It's turbo time.